What's up, guys? Everyone, we're since it's Friday, we're on YouTube today, guys. So, what's up, everyone on YouTube? If you watch us, welcome, welcome. So far, right now, just to give a quick rundown, what I'm doing. Let me see. What screen is the one that's being shared? I don't know which one is the one. Oh, it's this one. All right, so this is the screen that's being shared right here, right? Um, so far, I'm looking at Tesla. I have 500 calls from yesterday and 550s holding into next week. And kind of sucks to see this little slide off this morning, but um, looking forward to push back up at the open. So I think for the most part, I'm just going to be managing that position. If something else, pops up pretty nice, we'll go from there. But Amazon broke above 1880 again, so it dipped down yesterday and broke above 1880. If it holds 1879.58 or so, 1879.73, see if we get some just a little upside there, a little call action. Nothing too crazy since it's Friday. You guys in the room could hear me, right? Cool. What small caps you looking at, Alberto?
At the corner of Will Pet and King. I went ahead and did a cruise this morning on the way to the gym and thought I'd come to you live with a traffic report. It seems as though the roads in the neighborhood are a little bit icy. As you approach this intersection here at Will Pet and King, it's a little wet on the way out, but no ice. And then the main roads all the way through the city are good to go. So if you're looking at leaving your house this morning early, I would.
Damn, nice invite there, Richard. Thanks, bro. Is that oatmeal? Thanks, dude. Are we getting French toast tomorrow or what? Yeah, dude, probably looks so freaking nice right there towards the bosque with all the snow outside the window right there. Are you on delay today? They cancel your work. It'll be all nasty, but by noon, dude, be gross. Dude, did you guys see the SPY gapped up in pre-market? It's 330. Well, it gapped up to 332 and now it's 331 right now. I'm gonna put Shopify right here. Morning now. That works, dude. Two minutes, guys. There goes Amazon giving the tell, showing up. Are you looking at Apple, Richard? Let's get it. So on Tesla, if we get a little dip here to 503 or so, that's cool. If it just takes off, that's cool. See if we get to 520, I'll cover my position on my short term position, the 520, and then the 550 I'll leave in for next week. Amazon, I'm just gonna scalp real quick, just make a little extra money, and then that's my plan for the day. I would keep an eye on BYND right here too. I think we break the highs, bro. There we go, Tesla. Tesla's up to five over 510 now. 511. I know, dude. Shopify. Oh my god, Shopify, bro. So this is what I wanted here on Tesla. Just staying patient on it, guys. You can see where it's just pushing pretty strong. So on Amazon, it came down to 1880.99, so 1881 essentially. Still hasn't really showed me what I wanted yet, so I will wait. I think this is got to be one of my favorite songs, guys. It's "The Red" by Chevelle. It's got to be one of my all-time favorite songs. Yeah, dude, it's vintage, bro. It's a classic. If you have new music like it, then send it my way. There's no good new rock music. So Amazon's right here at 1880, guys. This is where I wanted it to drop to and hold, and then go up. So we will see the SPY kind of drop. So we'll see if the SPY reverses here, guys. And if we could get through this wall on Tesla at 511 to through 512, it'd be nice. Let's start looking at puts on Amazon instead. There we go. Now we're gonna break on Tesla. We should. There we go. I'm gonna cover half of my position right here for that one, dude. Anyone in Tesla with me? I need to analyze it a little bit further out, guys. Like, let me see here. 512 on that break, yeah, dude. It's kind of sketchy right there. There's a little bit of overhead right there. There's the 512 resistance, and then also red to green. They're smoking marijuana cigarettes. Did everyone see Eminem dropped a new album last night? It's trash. Yeah, there's that wash on Amazon, dude. That was once it booked the support at 1880, that would have been a good right there, but there we go. Tesla. The thing, I don't know if you've listened to this album, bro. If you've gotten a chance to listen to it, is he tried to like go back to like the shocking Eminem where he's killing people and like it's weird. You know what I mean? Like back in his old self for that shock value, and it's just you could tell it. Like in my opinion, it's just trying too much, too hard. You know what I mean? It's trying too much. He's done, dude. And then that's the thing, dude. Like if you look at I sold my last little bit here at Tesla on this push, guys. I'll keep it right here. So that's so from yesterday, that's $8,785. Freaking monster trade. That was nice. You see that hammer candle I was scared of, Pedro? I still have my 550 calls on Tesla, guys. I'm up 3,000 on those right now. So gonna let those just ride. My out will be break even, all right? Um, ooh, and I got out pretty spot on at the top there on Tesla, guys. So nice little wash. Exactly, dude. You can't. You and then um like so what I compare it to, dude. Like if you listen to Jay Z, and if Jay Z were to put out another album right now, dude, you wouldn't be able to tell that the album he put out right now and the one back in the '90s was any like a different point in his life or anything. You know what I mean? You would think like it's the same exact rapper at the same exact time. It's just that consistency. You know what I mean? Like that just vibe. Like none of this gimmick stuff like surprise albums and uh I don't know, dude. Let's put Rihanna on a track. BYND looking good, guys. Nice little pennant action right here. So for you guys on YouTube land, Oh, BYD. Well, within that time frame of me typing, it actually washed. So, but it's still holding right here around 111. So, I think it starts squeezing up again. All these new shorts these shorts that are adding towards the top or got in towards the top, I think it changes. After 512L on Tesla, it was struggle bus after that break on 512. So I was just looking for those volatility pushes to get out, bro. I got out a little bit 512, a little bit at 513, and then again at towards 515. Now we're just chilling. Is the market open half day on Monday? I need like a market calendar. Oh, it's open all day. It says open right here. Oh, I read it wrong. It says neither the stock market nor the bond market will be open for trading on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I think that's one of my biggest gripes, dude. Is everything is closed for Martin Luther King Day, but for Veterans Day and stuff, nothing's closed. Shop. Let's watch Shop. Are you like? Yeah, you like to go long, so let's look at it. Right here's a good ad on Amazon, guys. If you're shorting, low volume though. Yeah, I like this curl up right here, Richard. The base that it made right here at like 452.75. There's some wicks that come a little lower than that, right, to 452. But I like that support, that base that it made. And then this is kind of lacking some volume too, though. So BYD just selling, guys. What the hell happened? I was way. It broke down the 111 and it's at 109 now. What's going on in small cap line land there, Alberto? If you could scroll up, dude, and look at the stuff that Charlie posted, and then give him some feedback. I don't know if you want to give it to him directly or just right in here. He's asleep right now. He's on night shift right now. So, um, but yeah. But I mean, he pretty much ran with your guys' feedback. The tabs for the fundamentals and stuff like that on the Gather app that he's making. If you scroll up, dude. Watch, I'll repost it. So that's how it's coming along there, dude. So I'd like to a Tesla to hold 508, guys. It's holding like 510 right now, but I mean it could come inch down towards 508. That would, and it hold around in that area. That would be cool. Yeah, so if you could just DM him like anything else that you would personally want in your anything that you'd personally want like to help you in your trading, because this is more geared towards small caps and things like that. I've already told him my wish list for options. Like it would be cool to have a sweep, like a sweep page, and block orders and things like that. It'd be freaking sick. Like so, I already gave him my options thing, but he's asking for you small cap guys. What else do you guys want to see in it? I like it, dude. If it comes up and tests the red to green line at 110.40, good area. If it rejects right there, or even this 110. Yeah, 110.40 is red to green, and I also have a support line there, a fib line. So if it got up to that level and it didn't break, then I would take the short. Exactly. You just see the selling step in at that area, bro. I'll do anything. What you know about some old school yellow card, Richard? I like yellow card. Do you have headphones on, or are you just like broadcasting all what I'm saying there to everyone in what's that place called? Bluetooth. I felt so stupid when I was streaming. A Flying Star, there you go. I felt so stupid when I was there and I was streaming, right? And I was like talking to myself. Everyone was looking at me like, "What the hell is this dude's problem?" Are you are you gonna? Who's watching the fight tomorrow? Anyone interested? Anyone have any predictions? Conor McGregor and Donald Cerrone, Cowboy. Alberto's like, if Canelo's not fighting, then I'm not watching. If it's not Canelo, then I don't want to watch. Dude, Chris would get like links off of Reddit to watch, dude, and I mean, we watched all the fights. We never paid for them. We just watch them on, I think from Reddit is how he would do it. And now I don't know how he did it, so I don't know. How do you have how do you have bootleg cable in this day and age, bro? Like, there's a guy that lives in my my complex that works for the cable company. So like, can I go give him a couple bucks and him give me free cable? Ah, man, dude, this is a really good fight, bro. And I think they were really smart in bringing McGregor back to fight Donald Cerrone. Like, obviously they're not gonna. Well, I mean, I think it would have been stupid for them to throw, from a marketing standpoint and from a fighting standpoint, to throw Conor McGregor back in just against Khabib, right? Oh, cool. Thank you, Janik. Janik's the MVP today, guys. Damn, that was pretty spot on there, Al. I was like 20 cents off, but almost, dude. Pretty good plan right there. See, that's what I think, dude, is that Conor McGregor, they're fighting at 170, so what is this, the second fight that ever that Conor McGregor's fought at 170? I think he gets gassed, dude. I think he starts swinging for the punches or swinging for the fences, and he gets gassed because Cowboy got some heart, bro. He got some he got some legs with him, bro. But I mean, uh, if McGregor could catch him with that left, dude, Cowboy doesn't really have that chin. You know what I mean? So, what ticker is that, Alberto? You're looking pretty good here, Al. Watching with you, dude. Yeah, bro. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Like, I know. Well, I mean, scalping's not bad, dude. I was up 3,000 on those 550 calls on Tesla, and now they're down to 940 for a reversal, Richard. I wanna see the Nate Diaz Conor McGregor 3, bro. I want to see that fight again, bro. Or the Jorge Masvidal and Nate Diaz, dude. They just bang, bro. If either of those fights get announced, I think I'll go see it, dude. Last time, I was gonna go to New York to see the what was it, the Conor McGregor and Khabib fight in New York, or what, or the Nate Diaz and Conor McGregor one last time, but that was when I was broke last summer. So yeah, dude. I mean, if that's just being less risk averse, or more risk averse or whatever. But if that's the case, then dude, uh, I mean, it's cool to have the money in your pocket than it being unrealized. You know what I mean? Dude, he's not gonna go back to 155, dude. It feels so good for like, as a fighter and as an athlete. It feels so good in order for you to be able to eat and to feel strong, like as you're training. Dude, he's not gonna go back to 155, bro. It's a mind fuck after that point. You don't have the same abilities that you did at the higher weight. Still looking good there, Al. Oh, I see what you're seeing now on Amazon. So this is what Richard's calling in the room, guys. If you guys are on YouTube, so Amazon right here. So Richard has um, like a watch list based off the TTM. So it's showing that it's in squeeze right here on the TTM, and so this is what he's watching right here, and the cross of the MACD. So we should get a pretty nice reversal right here on the SPY. Um, Permitting that Apple and this, excuse me, a reversal on Amazon if the SPY, starts playing along with it too. Father of mine. So who's your money on then, Tristan? If you're a betting man and you're to bet, who's your money on? And the thing that's kind of crazy about it is that I mean, why would you stand up and box with fucking Conor McGregor? Like, that's what he wants you to do. I mean, you have to have some balls to do that. Donald Cerrone knows how to. He got some jujitsu game, bro. You're funny, Tristan. Connor looks freaking huge at 170 though, dude. You see him at the weigh-ins? They're feeding that boy right, bro. Orale, brosef. Orale, Al. These 550 calls are volatile as fuck right now, bro. Yeah, dude. I'm hoping it's who did was it Jorge, who did Donald Cerrone fight last time where he got his nose broken and then he fucked it up? Who was it? Was it Pettis? I don't remember, like, but he had his nose broken and then he blew it, and then his whole freaking face ballooned, bro. So I mean, as long as that doesn't happen again, then cool. Dude, you call that a scalp, bro, but you made 50 cents out. That's nothing to bat an eye at, bro. I know. Well, that's an option scalp, bro. An option scalp is like 50 cents or a dollar. My goal on shorting a penny stock is 50 cents, dude. So 50 cents to short a penny stock and a dollar to long it. It has to have that risk to reward, bro. Tesla was freaking nice right here, guys. The way we were talking a little bit ago. Um, one second. Let me change my. So I said I wanted it to hold the fib line. So I have a fib line at 508.35. Straight up came and told it good morning, and then went about its day and kept on going up now. Are you on Amazon, Richard? You're gonna be there a while, bro. Just watch out for the wash, bro. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Is there anyone else that's on that card that's interesting, Tristan? Okay, cool. I'm back. Excuse me. Are you still here, Al? Did Al leave? Oh no, that was a pretty good out, bro. On BYND. SNCA. Ooh, that was a pretty good one right there, bro. Oh man, it opened higher. Oh my goodness. All these people chasing right here are gonna get fucked, dude. It's gonna fucking hit 3 and just go down hard. Watch. I could be really absolutely wrong though, but hopefully the roads aren't too bad driving to work. Richard, take off.
Just gonna go around the chords. Wait for it. Because you know I'm all about the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass, no trouble. Said I'm all about the bass, that bass. Hey, yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no size two, but I can shake it,
Yeah, how these young Thundercats over here could handle it. I can't do that no more, dude. Oh, there you are, Richard. I thought you left, bro. Richard's calling out Netflix, guys. Oh, I see. 338 support line. I have a fib at 340.18, bro. So this, if it holds right here, this is a good area right here. Are you trading SNCA there, Tristan? How would you trade this, bro? Because I'm looking for a short right here. I see all these sellers stepping in anytime it gets above 80, so I would be working myself in right here. I'm looking for it to break here below 250. Yeah, so that I'm actually making a video right now. I actually have to go to the office because my teleprompter is here. I got here yesterday. So I finished writing the script for the video, and it's that's basically the video is just reasons why I don't trade penny stocks and options are better. And that's the one of the biggest fucking things, dude. Is you could be, I mean, you could have the perfect plan and you could be right on your plan and everything, but if you can't get borrows and you don't have the opportunity to actually trade, that's fucking dumb. And then even if you do get it, then you're paying all this money. You know what I mean? To without anything to show for it. So I mean, you get the opportunity, but then nothing to show for it if you are wrong. You know what I mean? It's just a bad look. Yeah, I would just be bobbing and weaving right here on SNCA, bro. I like that plan of the 230 though at the hot level. Tesla doesn't want to go green, guys. What the fuck? I know your rule, Richard, is not to keep, not to trade on your phone, but Amazon might set up actually later on in the day, bro. My oh, Yeah, dude. Need some attention. Spy's just kind of ranging today though too, dude. So with the holiday on Monday, there may have been just some people that didn't trade today, took the day off, get that extra long weekend. Everyone at work took the day off today, dude. It's gonna suck. Oh, dude, Roku was one of the ones we talked about on the Sunday stock study thing, dude. The I it's still not breaking the 127, dude. It needs to break like 127.50. But look at this descending triangle that it's making right now, dude. Once it breaks that 127 area, oh my goodness, dude, it's lights out. Do you guys see what I'm talking about on Roku? So the first profit target would be bearish. So the descending triangle is bearish, bro. And then so the first profit target would be 120, and then towards like 112 and 110, dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do you guys see my Home Depot doing work still? I called this thing at 210. It's at 232. Here we go, guys, on SNCA, bro. See you, Pedro. Pedro, see you in a bit, bro. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I saw your messages, Richard. I saw your messages, bro. But I was dealing with the snow and I couldn't read all of it. Um, that's actually you know Maggie, right? So Maggie liked using it in that the way that you're saying. He liked he liked using it like that. I don't. I don't. I think that you. I mean, for your style, because you scalp or whatever, like you're not looking for like a big move. I think it works more for your style that the way that you trade. For me, it doesn't because I feel like I miss out on the majority of the move. Like you know what I mean? So, but for you, I think that it's really good. Later, Tristan, bro. Hit me up tomorrow. We could compare notes on the fight, bro. My predictions. I think I'm pretty much with you, dude. Knockout by knockout by what's his name? McGregor. Knockout by McGregor in the first first through maybe even third. If it goes a decision, I think Cowboy wins it. Who's she fighting, dude? I think she's old, bro. I think, she just needs to go out and ride out into the sunset, bro. The thing about yeah, dude, like she I mean, and she's from here. She's from here in Albuquerque. Like she's a, local celebrity here, so you run into her all the time. And I think she fights way too technical. Like, there's no, how some people just have that grittiness, like that warrior type, like Nate Diaz and Jorge Masvidal, and they have that like fighter. She don't have that, dude. It's a technical, like almost like trading. Like if I see this person do this, I'm gonna do this, and it's the fighting isn't black and white like that. You know what I mean? She fights to score points, if that makes sense. Like not to knock someone out and win, like if that makes sense. There's that point too, Janik. There's that point too. There's SNCA. Can't say the damn name. And yeah, but not much range on anything. Oh, Richard left too. I'm gonna um I'm gonna pin that link that you put there, Janik. I appreciate that, dude. Oh, I lost it now, Janik. Will you repost it, Janik, please? Later, Tristan. Amazon has been pretty shitty actually lately, Richard. Like honestly, I wouldn't really fuck with it until it actually has earnings, bro. It's not gonna really do anything. Like if you're playing like in the morning, that first watch, that first wash down where you see the weakness, cool, just nail and bail, dude. Like, but it's not gonna do anything. Thank you, Janet. Exactly, dude. Come back day after they present earnings. And then it'll fill the gap whichever way that it goes, and then you'll make your money. Have you seen AMD? You should pull up AMD, Richard. No, not AMG. You might want to look at AMD, bro, to play. Dude. I don't know what's up with that guy. Oh, do you? Yeah, bro. Or even the SPY, bro. I mean, you have a smaller spread. Yeah, like the range isn't as big, but at least you know the premiums are cheaper. All right, Tesla's breaking red to green here again, guys. Let's see if we could get some cojones after this. So yeah, so I'm watching Tesla right now breaking red to green, and then this HD trade was one that we talked on the Sunday stock study since like a few weeks ago, right here at 212, and now it's 232. So it's a really nice trade. And then we were just talking about AMD. Oh look, there's a SNCA, guys. This is like, I'd be using the $3 as my risk right here, and it popped perfectly to it, dude. So now we should get the big wash and the fuck you candle. This SNCA is really hard because it's like um I like the tickers that are above $3 in small caps just to give me a little bit more room for profits and more range, dude. You move 10 cents and that's already 5%. There we go. There it is. Keep on going. One more time, SNCA. Shop. Well, there it freaking goes. They didn't have no much volume in it either, dude. Alberto, why are you not balls deep short in SNCA right now? I didn't even take a new position today, Richard. I just covered my 500 on Tesla from yesterday, and that's it. Like, I didn't take a new position today, so if that tells you anything. It's funny, dude. Wait until the summertime and you're like, God, this fucking sucks. There's nothing. It's like Friday every day. There it is, SNCA. Yeah, without the theta, the ass fucking of the theta. When Tesla was at 514 yesterday, I watch it just like on Yahoo Finance on my computer because I can't have my phone out, and I saw it and I ran out, dude. I was like, oh, should I cover it? And I like got off the phone with one of the clients I had, and then I ran out, and I was like, no, this is actually pretty good. I'm gonna just keep an eye on it, but everyone was scared because I didn't tell anyone anything, and everyone just saw me running through the floor to get out so I could use my phone. This SNCA short would have been sick, bro. It fits my criteria. You make 50 cents. So, speaking of Theta, Richard, next week, oh, he's not even in here. So next week, the Theta's gonna be all fucked up because you want to? That's old school, dude. I don't know if I have the huevos to do that anymore, Janik. I can't even use a stop in pre-market. That's some cowboy shit, bro. But for you guys trading options and stuff, it's gonna be fucked up next week. So because of the short week, so just to keep that in mind. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end this stream right here for the YouTube. So didn't like I said, I didn't take a new single trade today. I just covered my Tesla from yesterday, my 500 calls, which I got pretty much at the top. So so far for the day. So that was like 15, 16 points. So pretty happy with that. And but yeah, everything it's great here, and everything's just kind of like flat and going sideways. Even the SPY is like kind of just ranging. It's making a little bit, making higher highs, but it's struggling today. So, uh, yeah, bro. I'll talk about that in a second, here, Alberto. But yeah, so if you guys comment, subscribe, also hit bell notification to get notifications when we go live, and then I'll also see you on the Sunday stock study this week. We'll go live around, let's make it 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock market time to give me some time to get back from my son, see my son on Sunday. So if you guys want to tune in for the Sunday stock study then too, right? See you guys.